Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is signed in. This ties content to your account. Make sure your device is on a stable Wi-Fi network, charged, and running the latest OS because transfers need connectivity and compatibility. Once done, open Settings and enable iCloud Drive, Photos, and any app data you want to retrieve. This ensures items are flagged to download. If using a browser, sign in at iCloud. To access web files and photos quickly. Now you locate the data you need. Open the Files app on iPhone or iPad or iCloud. In a browser and navigate folders. Use the Photos app to select albums, moments, or specific images, tap Select, then pick items to download or move. For full device data, go to Settings, Apple ID, iCloud, Manage Storage, and Inspect Backups. You can restore a backup to another device. Once items are selected, choose Download, Save to Device, or Export to a connected app. Finish by downloading or restoring. For individual files, tap the download icon or use Export/Save to move them to local storage or a connected app. If you need a full device state, perform a restore from an iCloud backup. Be aware this erases the target device. Once download's complete, verify each file opens correctly and that photos, documents, and contacts are intact. If an item failed, resync on Wi-Fi, check available iCloud storage, and sign out then back in to force a refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.